Hi, I'm Kevin Jenkins. I'm the Climate Action and Energy Manager for Santa Clara University. Today we're going to take you on a tour of the generation we have on campus as well as the energy conservation measures. So let's talk about our energy conservation measures at Santa Clara University. You may have noticed around campus new LED lights. We've upgraded all the lights in Benson, the Learning Commons, 3 of the resident halls, and all of the pole lights on the exterior. We are also in the process of working on another 5 or 6 projects to upgrade the current fluorescent lights to LEDs. The reason we want to do that is when we're looking at alternative energy, such as solar, we want to make sure that all of our load is as efficient as possible, because if you design the system to fit your current load and you don't have energy measures in place, then you will be over-designing your solar or your wind systems. Along with upgrading our lighting fixtures to LEDs, which is more energy efficient, we're also in the process of upgrading our scheduling on our building management system. Building management system controls conditioning and some of the lighting for our buildings. By reprogramming our BMS schedules to reflect a more accurate conditioning of the spaces, we will save energy and utility costs. So let's talk about our solar system currently at Santa Clara University. We have 3 systems. One's on top of Malley, one's on top of Levy Center, and one's on top of the main garage. These represent about 1 megawatts of power to the university. What they're called, though, is a power purchase agreement, because we don't own these systems. We pay a company a price of power that is less than what we would pay for Silicon Valley Power. Now, the exciting thing we have going on is through a generous donation, we're having a system put in that, combined with our current PPA power, this will make over 2 megawatts of generation for the university. The power we receive from our solar systems will be the equivalent of offsetting 503 homes' energy usage for a year and taking 575 gas-powered cars off the road. As you can see behind me, the first system is being put in the Levy parking lot. The next system will be on Athletic Excellence Center's roof, and the final system will be over at the North Garage. We're really excited about this is because Santa Clara University will own these systems. Another production system we have on campus is what's behind me. It's called the Bloom Plant. It converts natural gas into electricity. It runs 24/7. It's rated for 1.5 megawatts. As you can see also behind it, on the roof of the main garage, is the solar system that I talked about earlier. One of our goals at Santa Clara University is to become carbon neutral. We track our carbon emissions through 3 scopes. Scope 1 covers emissions from sources that SCU owns or controls directly. For example, from burning fuel in our fleet of vehicles. Scope 2 refers to emissions SCU causes indirectly from the purchase of electricity, steam, heat, or cooling. Finally, Scope 3 encompasses emissions not produced by SCU itself and are not the result of activities from assets owned or controlled by SCU, but by those indirectly responsible for up and down its value chain. In 2022, SCU calculated its Scope 3 emissions from employee and student commuting, university-funded air travel, transmission and distribution losses, and solid waste. SCU achieved climate neutrality in 2020 and 2021 for Scopes 1 and 2. We've been reducing energy use for years, but in those years, to get us to zero net greenhouse gas emissions, we purchased renewable energy certificates and carbon offsets. Since 2022, we've decided the highest and best use of our funds is investing them in the campus itself, focusing on energy efficiency and renewable energy projects to further reduce our climate impact and drive down utility cost. We are actively measuring and focusing on meeting our goals for campus energy use per square foot, campus renewable energy generation, and greenhouse gas emissions. The Center for Sustainability also encourages energy conservation for students on campus through the annual energy challenge for other residential halls. In fall 2023, the Center for Sustainability has rolled out our new Sustainability Playbook badges. Students can gain Playbook badges under the Climate Action category by conserving energy through actions such as sharing appliances and unplugging electronics when they're not in use. Info on these programs can be found on the Santa Clara University Center for Sustainability website. Finally, if you'd like additional information about sustainability and energy, you can find information on our data hub on the Center for Sustainability website. If you're a professor who would like to incorporate a class presentation or sustainability tour, you can reach out to us at sustainability@scu.edu. In the past, we have hosted tours and presentations for a wide variety of departmental courses. anything from environmental science and studies to civil engineering to information systems and analytics.